Hello guys, welcome to Kulfi Software Services. In this video I will explain you how you can add question types like email, phone number and number in your form. Here I selected this form template, that is user persona survey, which has only one question. So to add more question, I will go in the question section. Here the first column is for question type, so I am selecting email. So here I will write the question. So I simply write enter email, and then the spaces for placeholder text, and further answer required or not. You have to simply select it yes or no. So I am selecting yes. Further adding phone number question, I will select question type to be phone number, and then here I will write enter phone number, and answer required to be yes. Further adding one more question, that is number. So here I am adding the question to be enter pin code, and after writing this question you have to select answer required or not. So I am selecting it to be yes. Then you can see after refreshing the form, all the three questions will automatically reflect in the form. So here you can see it's very easy to add question in the Kulfi forms. Thank you. For more information, please watch our next video.